How to get the queen bee and showcase in Grow Garden. Hey there, welcome back to our channel. So today we're going to discuss about getting the queen bee and the showcase in Grow Garden. So first of all, let's discuss about how you can get the queen bee. So first, you need to grow many flowers. Plant many different kinds of flowers in your garden. Queen bees like healthy blooming flowers. So the more flowers you have, the better chance of queen bee will appear. And some quests or even events give you a queen bee as a reward. Check the game for current quest, purchase or trade, and you might be able to buy the queen bee in the shop or the trade it with other players. And talking about showcase, you need to equip the pet. So go to the pet inventory and choose the queen bee to equip, display in your garden. Put the queen bee in your garden so that your friends can see it. And some games have special display areas for rare pets. So show off your queen bee in the garden shows for chances to win prizes. So also water your flowers to keep them healthy and attract more bees, and check online groups or discords for trading. And play events often to get rare pets. So that's it for this video. I hope you found it helpful. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.